Hello friends, welcome to Kalpvraksha Creativity. Today we are making keychain. So I am drawing the letter on my cardboard. I am drawing the letter A because my name starts from A. You can draw any letter or any shape. I have taken the two parts of mouldit and now I am mixing it with the help of the powder. I have shown how to mix the mouldit in my previous video of dokra art. The link is in description. Now I am taking my letter A and I am sticking the mouldit, or you can take air dry clay on my letter. Just see that the all part of the letter or the shape is covered properly. And it's evenly done. See, I have done. I have added a keychain hook in this. And now I am making the petals of rose in the rose flower to give it a design. See friends, from the mouldit. If you don't have mouldit, you can use air dry clay also. You can see friends, I have made 2-3 rows like this to decorate my letter A so it looks more attractive. You can see it looks so pretty now. You can use it in your home key or your bike key, car key or anything. It will give more attractive to your keys because we have very simple keys. So we are decorating it. See friends, I have done making the rose and the leaves, and I am giving some effects with the help of cutter. You can use the clay knife also. Now I am sticking on my letter. I am sticking at the bottom. And in other side I am sticking it little bit up. I stick 2 rows and 3 leaves, as you can do your designs also. Now I am painting it white to give it a base, but if you turn the paint directly, the paint will not come nice, so give a white base to it. I have given a white base. Give it 2-3 coats. Now I am taking yellow color and painting rose. You are thinking that the rose are red, so why I am painting it yellow? That's my imagination. I love yellow, so I am painting my rose yellow. See friends, you can do any choice of a color. And now I am taking light green, or you can take grass green also. And now I am painting in the leaves. With the orange color, I am doing some dots on it, and the background will be light blue color. Any color will be okay. See friends. It looks so pretty after giving the background, no? Yes, that's right. Be careful while doing that. Because there are designs on your keychains, so be careful so that the designs do not get spoiled. I have done with the background. Now I am taking red color and I am doing some dots on it. First let it dry, then only do the dots. See friends, my dots are completed. And how is my keychain looking? Bye friends.